I started this brand in India. And now we are a team of more than 90 people. We have more than 100 stores. In the last, next year will be the 10th year. The first store we opened.
It's मतलब very well known out there. Huh? Looking gorgeous is my hidden talent.
That's so sweet.
That's what he's saying. Thank you.
And Shraddha, with this, we'll now like to get...
Singing is also there. Is my superpower. Singing is my superpower. Chalo, why not? Thank you.
आपके फैंस
Is my new puppy. मेरी छोटी सी पपी है घर पे. बहुत प्यारी है. उसका नाम स्मॉल है. छोटा पैकेट बड़ा धमाका है वो. And she's very special. So you can say she's my new superpower.
Perfect. Ladies and gentlemen, now it's time to welcome on stage the showman, the captain of the team A6 in India, an active sportsman himself with such rich experience of the industry. He brings a wealth of knowledge to the table. Please welcome the managing director of A6 India and South Asia, Mr. Rajat Khurana, ladies and gentlemen. Right here at the DLF Promenade.
I'll talk about Shraddha first. Great Shraddha is here for the launch for the new store.
Can we just raise the volume for...
It's great, Shraddha, to be here for this amazing evening, a new store. She's in the capital. I came to know she's in Delhi 4th time in the last 2 months. Delhi has been a favorite for Shraddha for quite a long period. I think she just mentioned during one of the interviews, I think Nana Nani stays in, Dada Dadi stays in Delhi. She loves Delhi. And it is an honor for me to welcome you all at this, and I'm incredibly joyous to meet this atmosphere, a very vibrant atmosphere. Thank you, Shraddha, for this.
Thank you, thank you. I have to say कि क्या टाइमिंग चूज किया A6 ने. दिवाली के टाइम पे याद दिलाने आ गए कि मतलब कैलोरीज के बारे में मत भूलना, फिटनेस के बारे में मत भूलना.
I wanted,
No, I'm doing मस्ती.
but I wanted you to say Happy Diwali to all the presenters.
I've come here now. See, everybody knows दिवाली के टाइम पे सब तो मिठाई खाने वाले हैं. तो now we've come to remind them कि चलो खा लो मिठाई, पर वर्कआउट भी कर लो, है ना? करेक्ट ना? सही बात.
Rajat, can you talk about your journey with A6 India?
You must be knowing, she is the highest following female celebrity on Instagram with more than 90 million followers. 3 cheers for Shraddha.
3 cheers for Shraddha. Hip hip! Hip hip! Hip hip! Hip hip! And 3 cheers for A6. Hip hip!
Hooray!
Hip hip!
Hooray!
Hip hip!
Hooray!
मेरे पास ना मेरे बैक पॉकेट में चोटी है, उसके बिना मैं कहीं नहीं जाती. तो व्हाट इज द सुपर पावर दैट आई हैव? आई वुड से इट्स all these guys, all of them. They are my superpower. All of them. They are my superpower. They are my superpower. All of them over here, and the kind of love that they give me.
Absolutely. And can we please congratulate her for the ultimate success of Stree 2, ladies and gentlemen? क्या मैं 2 बार देख के आया हूँ ऑनेस्टली, और Stree 1 भी देख के, और Stree 2 तो मतलब कमाल. क्या पटक पटक के विलेंस को इधर उधर आपने भगाया है. आप में से कितने लोग Stree 2 ऑलरेडी देख चुके हैं? और सिनेमा हॉल्स में अभी भी चल रही है, धमाकेदार चल रही है.
कितनी बार? 10 बार. थिएटर में 10 बार देखी. क्या बोल रहे हो? सच्ची? 4 बार. 2 बार. 2 बार. First day, first row. You're my favorite person. Huh? 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 I love you guys too, yaar, and thank you so much. Love you guys. Love you guys. Love you guys.
Shraddha, do you
so
have any
much.
hidden talents that your fans doesn't know? आपकी कोई ऐसे hidden talents हैं? हमने वैसे देखे हैं कुछ वीडियोस में, लेकिन आप खुद बताएं.
I think that they all also know. ऐसा कुछ है नहीं कि मतलब मेरा कोई hidden talent.
मैंने सुना है कुछ इमिटेशन के बारे में ऑफ डिफरेंट एक्सेंट्स. इसके बारे में मैंने बहुत सुना, मैंने देखा
क्या हो
भी.
सकता है? Let me ask.
What motivates you to stay fit and what is your daily routine? We would love to, like, I would want you to share that with everyone in Delhi.
So, I mean, I don't have any fixed routine as such because I also get मैं बहुत जल्दी बोर हो जाती हूँ. सच कहूँ तो अगर मुझे सिर्फ जिम जाना होता है तो मैं मिक्स अप कर देती हूँ. कभी योगा करती हूँ, कभी जिम जाती हूँ, कभी डांस करती हूँ. और डेफिनेटली जब हम शूट भी कर रहे होते हैं ना तब इफ यू आर प्रेपिंग फॉर अ सॉन्ग ऑल्सो यू एंड अप रियली ट्रेनिंग फॉर दैट सॉन्ग एज वेल सो एंड ऑल्सो नाउ द बिगेस्ट वे आई एम बीइंग फिट इज रनिंग अराउंड माई पपी शी इज कीपिंग मी द मोस्ट फिट राइट नाउ
I request the contest winners to please join us on stage.
ब्रेक पे हो आप
Arthur, are we going to invite the contest winners on stage?
Arthur, are we contest winners?
It looks amazing.
Yes.
It looks amazing. Not bad. That was super cool. Two things that are always in your luggage. Yes. Sir, mic a little closer.
Two things I shot, but I would say running shoes and my Garmin watch that to track my activity.
Shraddha, the next question is for you. If you could tell us your name. The super gorgeous, one of the most talented actors and commentators, Shraddha Kapoor, with her favorite brand, A6.
brand ambassador of a brand which is genuinely a really good brand मतलब top quality products उनके shoes सबसे best shoes है for workout for dance for rehearsals and I remember even during ABCD2 मतलब even before A6 came into my life officially I have been someone who's been wearing A6 shoes and I am flat footed तो flat feet लोगों you know you have to be very specific with the kind of shoes that you wear so A6 has really been by my side through all my dance rehearsals through my Sun Satya rehearsals through my street dancer rehearsals and so it's very special because they do a really good job at everything that they make and I think that's the main thing with the brand
One
and,
tip.
and I also want to add that you
Yeah.
know the philosophy sound mind sound body
Sound mind.
is they're also talking about the mind which I'm also a very big believer कि mind का भी ख्याल रखना चाहिए definitely आप fit भी रह सकते हो gym में जा सकते हो but you also have to take care of your mind so that is also something that resonated with me
तो फिटनेस की बात तो हो गई. अब अगर मैं आपसे पूछूं कि दिल्ली में हम लोग खड़े हैं, चीट मील तो यहाँ पे बहुत होती है. What is your favorite cheat meal?
मेरा हो गया I was there yesterday also छोले भटूरे हो गए वो खा लिया और
दिल्ली वाला छोले भटूरे के लिए थोड़ा शोर बता दो यार.
तो बहुत मजा आया हाँ
थोड़ा सा आपको आगे बुला रहे थे. We want you to capture actually. Perfect.
मैं यहाँ से बात करूँ मतलब हिलू नहीं
हाँ. वो कह रहे ऑडियंस को सब जगह से
यस अभी ठीक है
परफेक्ट. दे गॉट
अब
द
मैं
वीडियो.
कल तक नहीं हिलूंगी यहाँ से बट तो छोले भटूरे आ रही हूँ 2 मिनट में आ गई तो छोले भटूरे हो गए और क्या जलेबी नहीं कुल्फी खाई मैंने कुल्फी खाई रसमलाई और गुलाब जामुन भी खाया और आई लव हाउ वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट फूड व्हेन वी आर सपोज टू बी डिस्कसिंग फिटनेस यहाँ पे गाइस पर और मतलब दिवाली का टाइम है यार अब नहीं तो कब
बिल्कुल.
करेक्ट कहाँ से आई लव यू टू
ऑलराइट. श्रद्धा आपने ऊपर से हमारे नए स्टोर से All right, so we have the contest winners here with us. All right, so can you say the brand line? Sound mind, sound body. 3 times.
Sound mind, sound body. Sound mind, sound body. Sound mind, sound body.